Hi friends, welcome to S&R MacTech Our Car. This is Sharath from Thrissur, Kerala. Today our work is see two-tone indicator light. It's a one yellow light and one white light. So we can study how to do this. Hi guys, I have four like these lights. It's a little bit high power. That's why I took like these lights. It's one light I purchased for 45 rupees. I have this white lens also. If somebody want white lens, contact me. I have this. I will courier to you. Okay, then we can go to work. First of all, I need two bulb like these lights for one side and another two for another side. So we can fix this one on the indicator lens inside like this. See, I used one screw like this and I fix that bulb like this. Then we need to make one hole for taking out that wire. See, I fix like this. There are two wire. See, also the company indicator bulbs already inside this light. Because I changed that one because company has gives us a yellow type white bulb with a yellow lens. I changed that one to white lens with yellow bulb. So I fixed that two bulbs and I put some glue on the back side hole, otherwise the when water coming inside. And I am going to fix positive to positive of that two lights, negative to light, negative to that two lights. Then I took that negative to the positive of the company original wire. See that green wire, that negative to original wire. And I took that positive to out. LED negative to normal wiring indicator positive, and the another wire I took out and going to fix park. Otherwise we can fix that one on the through switch. We can fix through switch. Then we can use that bulb when the time of we on switch, same like that fog lamp. So I took one switch. See, that switch have 2 points. One point we need to connect direct plus, the another point we need to connect with that LED bulb positive. LED bulb negative we took on the original positive. I am going to connect here the white with yellow wire. It's coming through from the battery. And we took that wire from the switch for connecting this LED bulb positive. So I use one clutch cable or easy taking out like this. Take out that wire to the engine room. It's very easy to take out like this. After we can took that wire to one side. This is that wire we need to connect on the LED bulb to the switch. So LED positive we gave to the switch assembly. When the switch on, the LED need to on. The LED negative we gave to the company original indicator positive. After that one, we can check that light is it on or not. I took the switch on, then we can go outside. See, it works like fog lamp. For this purpose we need white lens. This white lens is with me. If my subscribers want this white lens, please contact me. I can courier to you. So now we on the indicator. That time like this. See, this is a two-tone indicator for our car. It's very easy to fix. So you guys can try like this. It's very beautiful. Other thing is, if we need to on some lights on the night without headlight, we can on this fog lamp. So I think it is very easy to give wiring to you. I show each and every wiring of my subscribers. So I am going to off that switch. That time see only the indicator yellow light will shows. We can see the night view. So this is the night view of the two-tone indicator. I hope everybody enjoying my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.